How to manage your privacy setting in Zangi. In today's video, we are diving into Zangi Messenger app to show you how to take control of your personal space by managing your privacy setting. Zangi is known for its secure encrypted communication, but did you know you can customize exactly what information others can see about you? It's quick, easy, and an important step for maintaining your privacy. Let's jump right into the app. Let's open it. So once you're inside it, you will see this type of interface, which is the chat section. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the gear icon or setting icon, which is in bottom right corner over here. Tap on it and go to the setting. Once you're inside the setting, you will see different type of information right over here. There's number, your profile, and many things. As we are going to manage the privacy settings, simply tap on privacy, which you can see right over here. Let's tap on it. Okay, now we are in the privacy control center. Let's walk through the main option you have here. The first one is passcode, lock, and fingerprint. By using this, you can use the fingerprint or the lock in order to unlock your device. And there's hide conversation. So this one is a pro version, so we may not be able to use this one, but this is basically to hide your conversation from other people who are using your Zangi. Third one is show my online status. So this is the green dot that will be shown to your friends or the contact want to contact you. So if you don't want them to see you online, you can just toggle it off. And the fourth one is showing when you are typing. So this is on right over here, which will allow the other person who you are texting to see that you are just typing the message to them. And again, if you don't want them to see that you are typing the message to them, you can just toggle it off. And the fifth one is show the scene status. Let's read the information just below it. Disabling this option will not allow you to see whether others have seen your message or not. So if you don't want to show the scene status, you can simply toggle it off. So in the block section, you will see the number of contacts that you have blocked. And if you want to block more, what you can do is simply tap on this plus button right over here and just add the contact that you want to block. And the last one is delete accounts, which you can use in order to delete your data permanently, including your message, call history, and profile information. So these are the things that you can do in order to manage your privacy setting on Zangi. We hope this guide was helpful, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.